In 136 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace your salary in 5 days from property. No money down, no ownership is required. So step one, go on to Rightmove, find a rental property that you can rent and then sublet for 200% more in a brand new market. Inside Moneyy School, that's free for 5 days. I'll show you exactly what properties make £1,000 to £2,000 every single month. Step two, message every agent on Rightmove and say this: do you have any landlords open to company lets? If you don't want to say the wrong thing, inside Moneyy School, that's free. On day 3, you can download my free script, which I've perfected over 21 years. So they say yes. Step 3, make them an offer so good they can't say no. Inside Moneyy School, that's free. On day 4, you can download my Don Corleone offer frame. You'll know what to say, when to say, and how. Step 4, normally you would need about £4,500 in property acquisition costs, deposit, rent in advance, just to get the keys. Or if you want to put no money down, inside Moneyy School, that's free. On day 2, you can copy my no money down cashback framework. You'll get your rent, you'll get your deposit paid, and you'll walk away with up to 16.5 grand cashback. I use this to fund a £6 million hotel that makes me over 7 figures a year, and a £5.5 million commercial property, and multiple £2 million guest houses, 31 Airbnbs, 16 HMOs, all in the southeast, not some cheap northern city. Follow this, you'll never need money again. You actually get cash back from every property deal that you do. Step 5, repeat steps 1 to 4 until your salary is replaced and you're no longer selling your life per hour to a boss you asked permission for probably about 50 years of your life. So if you want to escape, on Monday, I'm running a free 5-day event online. You get everything I promised in here 100% free. I'm taking all the risk by sharing 25 years of my secrets that the gurus are charging £1,000, £2,000, £5,000, even £12,000 to show you a fraction of what they learned from me. Day 1, you'll learn what properties can replace your income. Day 2, get £7,500 to £16,500 cash back from a property you do not own. Day 3, get unlimited leads from landlords and agents. Day 4, make irresistible offers landlords can't refuse. And day 5, inception. Use this skill to replace your salary in 5 days. So, can I get your email so I can send you everything I just promised for free? Great. Click the link. Join Moneyy School. It's free for 5 days. Download all the free stuff and thank me later.